Hi, welcome one more time to the channel Learning Together with Angel, okay? So in this opportunity we are going to continue learning and practicing some structures, some grammar and examples with vocabulary, okay? So let's start, okay? We are going to see today would rather. We are going to see would rather, affirmative, negative, and questions, okay? So you know how to express your preference when somebody offers you, for example, do you want chairito or you want a silpancho, for example, and you have to say, or you normally say, I prefer silpancho, yes? I prefer. So instead of saying prefer, today we are going to change that with would rather, okay? So for example, would rather expresses your preference, okay? So and to say, for example, she would rather go to Copacabana than Oruro. Sounds very long, yes? So there is a contraction. Look, what's the contraction? Would rather contract like apostrophe D and rather, okay? So we are going to give examples now with vocabulary, okay? You see, I'd rather see an action film than a musical film. Why I'm using than here is because I'm working with rather. You know that ER is a comparative, so you have to use than, taller than, longer than. So I would rather see action film than. And I'm comparing action film number one, or A if you want to call A, with a musical B, okay? So there are two categories that you have to choose from. And my mother would rather listen to folk than electronic music. The same, folk music, electronic music. She is going to choose that, okay? And another thing important, I cannot make a contraction. In this case, my mother. No, it's not possible to make a contraction. I would rather say she'd. If you want to make a contraction, she'd rather, etc., etc., etc. Okay? Now that is the affirmative statement. Now what about the negative statement? What do you do to write the negative statement? Only you have to add not. I would rather not see. Not see. My mother would rather not listen to folk music. And in that case, to folk music, period, it's possible to eliminate this and just would rather not, because if you are selecting something negative, you cannot choose from two things negative, yes, and you just say, I would rather not go to the movies, I'm tired, period. Okay? Yeah, so what about if I ask you questions? Okay, I'll ask you 3 questions and you will answer these questions, okay? Good. Here we are with the questions for you, okay? So the first question comes like this. What would you rather see? A drama or a comedy? Okay? So you can use the vocabulary words. For example, I would rather see a comedy because a comedy is funny, sometimes silly, or it is unforgettable, etc., etc., okay? Or you can say, I would rather not see a drama because dramas are boring or they are weird, okay, and etc., etc. You can use the vocabulary there in order to express your preference or you're not preferring something, okay? Okay, let's change a little bit example. Where would you rather travel? Paris or China? Where would you rather travel? Paris or China? So you have to say the complete answer. What's the complete answer? This is the question. And what's the answer? I d. I'd. You can repeat. I'd rather travel to Paris to visit the Eiffel Tower and go sightseeing, etc., etc. Okay, so this is the complete answer. And the last question for you: what would you rather see, a soap opera or YouTube tutorials like this one? Yes, I know you answered a soap opera, yes? But in this moment you are observing a YouTube tutorial on how to improve your grammar, okay? Well, actually, this is it. Think about two things. I don't know, food, music, talk about sports, clothes, colors. Please subscribe to the channel and you will receive notifications for later videos. I will be working on techniques on how to learn English as well, and how to improve listening, grammar, vocabulary, writing and reading, and all the skills, okay? If you ask me something special, I promise I will do a video for you. Okay, so this is Miguel Angel Kino with you, and see you the next time, okay? Goodbye.